What happened to my... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my... I hope Gerald and his box of crayons are good. I think Gerald and the box of crayons is dead. Oh no. Oh god, we gotta search for him. Where's his crayons? Gonna have to go super strong. Nah. Come on. Find Gerald and box of crayons. Oh, those are some of his. Those are his neighbors. Oh. Oh no. There's sad news. The box of Oh no. Those are all of his crayons right there. And that's Gerald. He's dead. Take out his dead body, man. Yeah, that's his body. That's him right there. Rest in peace, Gerald. You're coming with me. You're coming with me. Oh my god.